ito na yung aking homemade biko, my own version with cocoa icing or chocolate icing toppings with desiccated coconut. So, ano nga natin, slice natin, tikman natin kung anong lasa. Ayan. Alhamdulillah, makatikim ako ng biko kahit kulang-kulang ang ingredients. Ayan. Ano kayang lasa? This is glutinous rice and I use 2 cups of this measurement. And I have this kind of glutinous rice. So now we will wash. We have to wash 3 times. Matagal na kasi akong hindi nakakain ng biko, so ito nag-crave ako. Kaya kahit kulang sa ingredients, pero ano pa rin, gawa pa rin ng paraan para makaluto at makakain ng biko. Kahit kulang-kulang sa ingredients. So ayan, lagyan natin ng tubig, tapos isaing natin ng half boil. So lagyan natin ng tubig. And then lagyan din natin ng asin. Konting asin. So on na natin ang flame. And then cover natin. Another casserole, I want to make chocolate icing. So I use this kind of cocoa powder. I put 2 tablespoons here and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then I will put also 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And then I put also water here. I put already water. Half cup of water, this one. Half cup. Kalahati lang yung nilagay ko dito na water. So turn on na natin ang flame. And then we have to cook this one in low flame. This is icing for my homemade biko. Ayan. This is the way how to make cocoa icing. Naparami yata yung tubig na nilagay ko. Kasi dapat ito malapot-lapot. Pero it's okay. In another casserole, I use half cup of fresh cow's milk. So I put already here. I don't have Tetra Pak, yung evaporated milk na from yung commercial. So I use fresh cow's milk. So half cup. And then I have to put also 1 tablespoon of butter. This kind of butter I use Blue Band. Ayan. And then I will add also sugar. Half cup also of this one. Half cup also of sugar because I don't like more sweets. So enough this one. Or I make half because maybe this is too much sweet. And then now we have to turn on now the flame. And then we have to cook this, what you call this fresh cow's milk. And we have to put also drops of vanilla. Ayan. So, ito na yung icing na ginawa ko. Tama lang yung pagka-sticking na. Now, lutuin natin ito. Because I don't have coconut, yung gata ba, yung fresh na gata, or yung nabibili din. So, I don't have. So, ang substitute ko ay, instead of coconut milk, I use this fresh cow's milk. Wait lang natin ito maging boil. Kumulo. So, ayan, start ng boil. Then, we have to put now this half cook of glutinous rice. Ayan. My own version na biko. Lagay ko ito lahat. Cooking homemade biko, my own version. I use white sugar instead of brown sugar because I don't have available brown sugar. So I use white sugar. So that's why I make cocoa icing or chocolate icing. Already transferred here. Now next we have to put icing. If you have this latik, masarap sana yung latik. Kaya lang walang latik. So instead of latik, ito yung aking substitute. Chocolate or cocoa icing. Ayan. Kunti lang yung ginawa ko na na icing kasi kunti lang naman itong aking ginawa na na biko. So masarap din siguro ito. Ayan. Then lagyan ko din pala ng ng desiccated coconut. Pero ilagay ko muna ito lahat. Ayan, snack tayo or merienda ng biko, my own version. At saka pang lunch ko na ito together with tang na juice. So kain tayo. Today is Thursday and time in Pakistan is 2 p.m. So ayan, pang ko na ito, merienda at saka lunch. Ayan, kain tayo ng biko. Ayan. At saka juice. Ayan, tikman natin. Bismillahi wala barakatillah. Sarap. Katamtaman lang yung yung tamis niya, yung sugar at saka yung icing, masarap yung icing. Masarap ang pagkaluto. Kung sa Ilocano hindi hilaw ba, nakusel, hindi nakusel. Maganda yung pagkaluto ng yang nung malagkit. Sarap. Masarap ito pang pang almusal with kape. Ngayon tanghali kaya ito yung aking partner. Kain tayo ng biko. Ayan yung aking niluto na biko. At saka juice na tang. Merienda ito kasi 2 PM na at saka pang lunch ko na ito. Kaya tikman natin. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Tama lang yung yung tamis niya at saka itong icing na cocoa o kaya chocolate icing masarap. Silang kakain. Subuan ko baka gusto niya. Kasi ayaw niya ng sweets. Ayan oh. Tikman mo ah. Ayan. Juice din. Ayan. Gusto niya. Gusto niya din. Gusto niya din ang biko.